Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to play Please Donate in Roblox. Launch the Roblox app on your computer, mobile or a browser. Log into your account. And then on the homepage of Roblox, go to the search bar at the top, type Please Donate and hit enter. In the search results, click on the game titled Please Donate by 4OC or the current developer if different. Click the game page, then on the green play button to join the game. Once the game, you will spawn in a donation area with various booths where players can set up their own donations stand. You can customize your booth by adding game passes or donation buttons to allow other players to donate Robux to you. Wake up or walk up to an empty booth and interact with it to set your display name and donation buttons. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.